Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube guide, and here I'll detail how to post a video on YouTube on iPhone. So if after making your video using your iPhone or any other device, now you want to post a video on your YouTube channel using your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're not of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The fastest approach to post a video on YouTube on your iPhone is either you use the YouTube application or you download and use the YouTube Studio application. So here I'm going to walk you through both approaches. So first, open the YouTube application on your phone. Then once open it, sign in to the account you want to upload videos to. So let's say this is the account I want to upload a video to. Then you can just click on this plus icon. Go ahead, record your video, or click on video here to select existing videos on your iPhone. So go ahead, select existing video like this, then click on next. So if this video is short, then you're gonna tag this video as short. Otherwise, you want to upload the video normally. So this is caption your short. So this is a short video. Mark you to upload a lengthy video that is not short. You need to make sure the video you want to upload is more than 30 seconds. So make sure you have a very long video to upload here so that it will not be uploaded as short. So select the video, and select the video like this. Go ahead and click on next. And then follow the on-screen instruction. Again, you can add voiceover, add text, add sound, timeline, filter. So that, then click on next. Then once you type the next button, you should see the video trying to upload to YouTube. And once the upload is done, you'll be prompted to fill in your details. You can see, type in your details here, title, set to public, location, select your audience, then your public here, then here, check whether it is altered content or not, then upload your video. So that's one of the ways you can use to upload YouTube videos on iPhone. Alternatively, you can use the YouTube Studio. So first, you need to go to the App Store on your iPhone. On the App Store page, you need to search for YouTube Studio. So go ahead and search for YouTube Studio. Click on it. Then make sure you download and install the YouTube Studio on your iPhone. That is the first thing you want to do. And once you download and install the YouTube Studio on your iPhone, go ahead and click on the open button. Once you open the YouTube Studio, is going to ask you to select which Google account you want to use. And if you have a single account on your iPhone, then you should see the interface like this. It's going to show your subscribers, your views, your watch hour, probably your earning if it is a monetized YouTube channel. Then click on this plus icon on the top navigation. Here, once you click on that, here you'll be prompted to select your video. So go ahead, select the video you want to upload like this. Then you'll be prompted to add the details, add the video details, publicity, audience, and then go ahead and upload your video. So once you uploaded the video will be uploaded to YouTube once it is done. So that is basically how to post a video on YouTube on iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.